Meet the African gray parrot, not just a talker, but a thinker. These birds are the Einsteins of the animal kingdom, and I'm not just saying that because they can say hello. African grays can learn over 1,000 words, and get this, they actually understand what they're saying. Watch this. A trainer holds up a green block and asks, "What color is this?" The parrot pauses, checks it out, and answers, "Green," just like that. These birds don't just mimic sounds. They respond, they answer. Sometimes they even question you right back. But let me introduce you to the legend himself, Alex the African Gray. Alex was basically a celebrity in the world of science. Under the care of Dr. Irene Pepperberg, Alex could identify objects by shape, color, and even material. He understood the concept of zero. Not many animals, or even humans, can wrap their heads around that. He used more than 100 words and used them meaningfully. But the wildest part? He'd ask questions, like, "What color am I?" On his final night, Alex told Dr. Pepperberg, "You be good, I love you." If that doesn't melt your heart, I don't know what will. Alex's intelligence was compared to a 5-year-old child's. Seriously. So what makes these birds so smart? Despite their small size, parrots have this super dense brain structure. There's a part called the natopallium quadrilateral, basically the powerhouse for thinking, problem-solving, and even forming relationships. African grays are social masterminds. They solve puzzles, form strong bonds, and believe it or not, even create tools. You might see one carefully unlock a cage latch or pick out a specific toy from a bunch. And when they mimic your voice or your laugh, they're not just copying. They're picking up on your mood, your tone, maybe even your feelings. So what's it really like to live with a talking genius? Imagine a bird perched on your arm, tilting its head, playfully answering your questions, or maybe asking a few of its own. Behind those feathers is a brain as curious and clever as a child's. So next time you hear a parrot talk, remember, it might actually be talking to you, not just at you. If this blew your mind, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me, if you could talk to a parrot, what's the first thing you'd ask it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.